All right, my dudes, my men, the guys that like to trim and manscape. If you've seen any of my videos on Meridian, or maybe you've seen my video on Philips Norelco, I've got some cool videos for men. I've got a new trimmer color for you from Meridian. It's all about ocean blue. Here we go. All right guys, this is Zachus. We do honest reviews here. I like to tell you guys about everything that I'm trying and things that I find that are cool or maybe make your life more fun or exciting, or just give you, a closer look at things that you're considering purchasing. Got robot vacuums, got things for men, got smart home, a lot of stuff. So hit that subscribe button. You'll be notified first when I put new videos up. Become part of the Zachus Nation, and we promise you'll enjoy the ride, and it's free to do, so you can cancel anytime. So let's get into this. You probably have seen my video on Meridian trimmer. Meridian's a great company. This trimmer has become one of my favorite trimmers. I'll put that video right here so you can click on it, the little fly out, and at the end of the video, you'll better click on it so you can see it. But they've come out with this awesome new color. It's called Ocean Blue, and it just looks so manly still, but you get that like touch of color. And of course, here at Zachus, we're all about the blue. And so I had to tell you guys about it and show you guys all about it. It's so cool looking. I mean, I love the black. Of course, black is just a classic man thing. You're always gonna get that. And they're both the same trimmer, so now you get 3 colors. They also have a greenish olive looking color, but I just love these colors. And when I saw it, I gotta get it and try it and tell you guys about it and show you guys. So I wanted to show you guys all about it. Okay guys, let's get into this if you haven't seen my other one, because I know you wanna know all the details. So it's very quiet. I mean, it's pretty normal compared to other trimmers. It's nick proof, so you still want to be careful around the bag because that's always loose. You want to pull it tight, be careful, be watching what you do. But I have used this, I've traveled with it, I love it. If you see my Norelco video, that is my king. That's what I love the most because it shaves you smooth. It's got everything, it's high quality. But when I went looking for other options, I tried Meridian, and I just have fallen in love with this. It's so small, it feels so good. It's got this really smooth, rubbery feel to it. It's easy to hold. It's waterproof, so you can do this in the shower. I like to do mine dry, but a lot of guys like to just do it in the shower. It is waterproof. You just charge it right down here on the end, and it'll tell you the lights here when it gets close to needing to be charged and all that stuff, and when you're charging it when it's full. It's not very loud, and it's just really easy the way it's designed. You really get easily down and can just trim off that. It won't make you smooth. It won't shave you. It's a trimmer, not a shaver. If you're looking to be shaved, check out Norelco 7000 video. I'll put that here too, and down in the description below. And at the end of the video, there's always other videos around this, so I'll put up the black one and the other ones too. They've also got a nose trimmer, so we'll show that to you and make sure that you can see all that, because they've got some really cool products. But this is the king product. Look at that beautiful blue. It's just so cool. I thought it was gonna be a little like cartoonish blue, but it's got this almost like black mixed in with it. It's just a really, really nice manly blue, and it just feels amazing. And I have used this all over. I mean, it gets down pretty low, like not smooth, baby smooth, but like it gets down pretty low, and I use it around the shaft, I use it on the balls, I use it above it, I use it on my chest. You can do your underarms, anything but the beard or the face or the mustache or anything like that. It's not designed for that. Most body groomers are not designed for this or your head. They're designed for everything below your neck. So just be aware of that. You'll need some other things for above the neck. I don't know all the details about that, but it's just different kinds of hair and thickness and stuff. It's not designed to take that on. This is more like for your chest, around your nipples. You still need to be careful around your nipples. And of course, down below. You can do the backside, underside, everything if you got some help or, some ways to get it down in there and around there, whatever you need to do. But I just wanted to show you guys this, and I wanted to show you side by side so you can really see that blue against the black. It looks so good. Look at that. It's just so cool. And you guys know I'm all about manscaping. It's pretty normal these days. Most guys do it because it's healthier, it's less stinky, and there's just a lot of good reasons. It feels better. You don't have that itchiness. You don't have the pulling in the shaft, like, you know, when hair gets stuck in there. All the stuff, if you're a grower, you know what I mean. All that kind of stuff. You need a simple, really good, high quality item. And this is really affordable too. It's just a really good device. I mean, it's nick proof. You can clean it out. You can replace these blades too if they start getting dull, if you have really coarse hair and it wears out. I've never had to replace mine. I've had this one about a year now and it's still going strong. The charge lasts forever. I don't even remember the last time I charged this one. I just got this one. So they last forever. Again, they're waterproof, so you can stick them in the shower, and it just, they just are great. They're awesome. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you. And I hope you get to see this cool video. I mean, this cool color, this new cool color. Hit that subscribe button. If you're not a subscriber, it's right there. And you can become part of the Zacchaeus Nation. It's free to do so. Cancel at any time. And you'll get notified first. We got cool new videos coming. I've got this new robot vacuum going up. I've got plant stuff, connected home, things for men. We've got the trimmer from Meridian. Be sure and check out that video. It'll be at the end. And then I just did a video on beard comb. So if you have a beard brush and things to go in your beard. I mean, we just got stuff for you to make your life easier, more fun, more exciting. That's what we're here for. I love seeing your beautiful faces, and I will catch you in the next Zacchaeus video. Peace.